Samsung HW LS70H Dolby Atmos Speaker Review. Best Samsung Lifestyle Speaker for Immersive Audio. If you want immersive sound without filling your room with multiple speakers, Samsung's HW LS70H is an interesting alternative. But can a single premium speaker really deliver a satisfying home theater experience? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The HW LS70H is a 311-channel wireless speaker with multiple built-in drivers, including an up-firing speaker designed to add height to the sound. It supports Dolby Atmos and Samsung's Q-Symphony feature, which can allow it to work together with compatible Samsung TVs. For connectivity, you get Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, along with TV-friendly connections and Samsung's smart audio features. The design is also a major part of the product. Instead of looking like a traditional soundbar, it has more of a lifestyle speaker appearance, so it can fit into a room without looking like typical home theater equipment. For music, Samsung focuses on detailed audio reproduction and a wide soundstage, while features such as adaptive sound can adjust the audio depending on what you're watching or listening to. The biggest advantage is simplicity. You can get immersive audio from one main speaker without immediately needing rear speakers or a separate subwoofer. But that's also its main limitation. A single speaker can't create the same physical separation as a complete surround system, and if extremely deep bass is your priority, a dedicated subwoofer-based setup may still be better. So who should buy it? The HW LS70H makes the most sense for someone who wants premium design, strong music performance, Dolby Atmos, and a clean setup, especially if they already have a compatible Samsung TV. If you want to check the latest details or buy this speaker, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know whether you choose this over a traditional soundbar system.